Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the figure from Doors. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a circle at the top for the head. And now let's add another circle inside this one. Now let's move inside and add the teeth. At the top, let's draw a pointed V shape. And the same thing at the bottom. Now let's do the same on the sides. Now in each of the gaps, let's draw two more. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw a curved line down on both sides. Now underneath these lines, let's draw a curved line towards the inside like this. Now let's hop back up under the head and let's draw another curve underneath this one. And then let's close off the ends with another curve. Now underneath, let's draw two small diagonal lines. Now let's add another set of bones in the same way. Let's start with curves toward the center. Then a curve on the outside and underneath. And then close them both off. And again, let's follow that same diagonal and draw two more. And then one last set of bones. Next, underneath, let's continue that diagonal line down, making it a little bit longer this time. And then connect them at the bottom with a curve. And that's it for the body. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath on the left side and draw two curved lines down. And let's make the inner one longer like this. And now let's do the same on the right. Now for the outside line, let's curve it out and then back in for the foot. And the same thing for the other foot. And that's it for the legs. Next, let's add the arms. Let's start on the top left And let's draw 2 angled lines down, like this. And then the same thing on the right. Now from the outside line, let's draw an angle down, and then angle it back down like this. And the same thing on the right. And then a long line down from the inside line. Next, at the ends, let's draw the hands with oval-shaped curves. And that's it for the figure. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!